Luca Van Assche is a Belgian-born French professional tennis player. He is currently ranked world number 48 in ATP singles after winning the first ATP Tour title with career prize money exceeding US 2.8 million. Luca Van is his first ATP Tour title won on July 26, 2026 at the Millennium Estoril Open in Portugal. Van recovered after squandering a 5-3 lead in the third set and closed it out with increased aggression on his forehand. 4 of his 5 matches went to 3 sets. The week was described as exhausting but highly successful. His biggest junior achievement was winning the 2021 French Open boys single titles, where he beat Arthur Fields in the final. Van was born in Belgium and represented France in tennis. He began playing tennis at young age and moved through the junior system before turning pro in 2021. He broke into the ATP Top 200 in November 2022, cracked the top 100 in April 2023, and reached his career high single ranking of number 63 in October 2023, having also reached the next gen ATP final semi-final in both 2023 and 2024. He has Grand Slam based result: third round at the 2024 Australian Open, second round at the French Open, and first round appearance in Wimbledon and US Open. He has continued his education alongside his tennis career, studying mathematics through Paris Dauphine University. In 2023, Van recorded his first top 100 win before losing the world Novak Djokovic in the second round.